Hi guys. First of all, if you have not watched the skincare routine for morning till now, it's already up in my channel, so please go watch that video. It will help you to make your makeup look damn beautiful. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I already prepped up my skin. For that, video is already up. You can check in my iCard, or you can go to description bar below, or go to my channel and search for it. Let's not waste any time and just move on with the video. My skin is already prepped. This is going to be a makeup routine for a beginner. If you are a beginner, you have no idea how to do makeup, this video will help you. Keep on watching. This might be a long video. Keep on watching so that you understand what I'm applying, why I'm applying, how I'm applying. So this is the primer I'm using. Just take this much size. If you're a beginner and you don't want to invest in high-end primer, that's fine, because you can get good primer in Maybelline, which is a drugstore brand, and it's not really expensive. You can start from that. And what primer does, you might see some pores here. I do not have much pores, but maybe if in your face you have pores here and you think why my makeup doesn't look good, why does it look cakey, it mostly because you have big pores here, some imperfection, some fine lines you might have. Primer will help to reduce that. Primers are there to fill your pores. Mostly they are silicone primers. So according to your skin type, you must choose your primer. If you want a detailed video on this, leave a comment down below and I will come up with a separate video only on primers. People don't pay attention to primers, but it's a very important product in your makeup routine. Glam Up makeup for beginners. I'm going to use this foundation. It's from Makeup Forever. You can get this in Sephora. Take a foundation which match to your skin. Don't go lighter, it doesn't look good. Don't try to look fairer or darker than your own skin tone. Always try to find the color shade which matches to your skin tone perfectly. It will always look good, it will always look flawless. Second mistake which everyone does is they take too much product. You don't need too much product actually. You need only this much. This much is enough. And after applying this much, if you feel no, my face is not covered, still I see some imperfection, you can always take more, but don't take too much. Sponge which I'm going to use, it's actually from Miniso, and this is the makeup fixer. This is from PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fix, a Indian brand. You can get their products in Amazon very easily. Brand. Beauty blender or sponge should always be little damp. Now as you're a beginner, I would recommend you to always use sponge rather than brush to apply your foundation. Can you see how beautifully it melted in my skin? If you see me in person also, you would not know that I have applied any foundation. The key is that I have taken very less foundation and I'm applying through a sponge, which gives a very flawless effect. Try to answer everything which is required for a beginner to do makeup, but still if you feel I have not covered anything, you can always drop your comments in the comments down below. Also, I would urge you to please comment in my YouTube channel and not in Facebook or Instagram DMs or Facebook messages, because it will help my channel to grow. So whatever comments you have, positive, negative, suggestions, questions, you can always post in my YouTube channel. Where you can comment, just go down below, you will see a public comment and you can write your comments there. Concealer is always a good idea. This is from Tarte. It's a Shape Tape Contour Concealer. My shade is light medium sand. So this product you cannot get in India so far.
It's available in Sephora but not in India. So if you're traveling abroad or you have some friends, you can tell them to get this for you because it's a damn good concealer. So what concealer does?
If you see, I have this mark, if you can see or not. I could have applied more foundation, but I don't want to look cakey, so I will just give a dot. Apply some in down your eyes because everyone have some dark circles, some pigmentation around eyes. You will always have some pigmentation around mouth. Indian skin tend to have that, and some at the bridge of your nose. That's it. Concealer will help you to by the name you can understand, it will help you to conceal your imperfection, blurs, dark pigmentation, any acne mark you might have. So you can tell me if you like these videos in English or in Hindi. I'm
Comfortable in both languages, but I want a feedback from you guys. Which language are you comfortable in? Which language would you want me to do the makeup or other videos in?
We can take any loose powder. If you're a beginner, if you don't want to purchase expensive things, if you have a simple talcum powder, you can use that also. You will not get the same effect, but still you can use any loose powder. It's also from the brand called PAC. It's their high definition powder in HD. And as I mentioned, PAC is a pretty good drugstore makeup brand. It's not very expensive. So if you're a beginner, you don't want to spend too much, you can always go for this brand. You can get their products in Amazon. I will mention the links down below. You can check that. And with very light hand, you just have to dust off. Girls, eyebrow is very important for your face. It's actually what defines your face. Don't do anything, but just do your eyebrows and see the difference in your face.
This is from Benefit. Is there? I use so much actually, I don't see the name.
It's Goof Proof Brow Pencil in 6 number. So for Indian skin tone, 6 number is quite better. I'm looking at the mirror, by the way, just for your face. I hope you can see that. I'm going to use this palette. I think most of you have this palette, that's why I'm using this. It's from Maybelline. It's their nudes collection. Up with the makeup starter kit. Stay tuned for that video. Start with our crease. We'll take this shade here.
I'll just apply that in my crease. Tap the excess. This is kind of a base color, above which I'm going to mostly apply the black eyeshadow.
You take this black. To take more product if you think your both eyes doesn't look blended enough. Keep blending. Take your time in this step. This from Milani. At this moment we are looking crazy. Don't worry, we'll look better. Brown color kohl pencil. It's also from PAC in my lower lash line. To apply this mascara. If you're a beginner, you don't want to go all this glam up, just apply simple kohl and apply mascara. Please apply mascara. It's from NARS. It's their Climax mascara. NARS is also not available in India. You can try in Maybelline. Maybelline have some very good options. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I really need all of your support. So don't forget to subscribe. It helps my channel to grow. You're looking a little better now with this product here. It's MAC bronzing powder. Obviously MAC is available in India, so don't worry. It's their refined golden bronzing powder. Finding your correct bronzer or foundation, you can go to MAC store and they will definitely help you out. I have also planned a video where I will talk about all the makeup brushes, sponges you need as a beginner. Stay tuned for that video. See what bronzer is in simple words. As you're a beginner, I'm going to explain you in simple words. You have applied concealer, you have applied foundation, so your face is all covered up. You have no blemishes. It's looking a little blank. It's a white canvas actually, not white. It's a blank canvas. So when you apply bronzer in your face, it gives a very nice shadow effect. Also, it creates a dimension. It gives a color to your face. It brings life back to your face. You do not look like a ghost. You do not want to look like a ghost. So when you're going all glam up, apply some bronzer. Obviously in daily life no one can do all these things. No one in this world can do all these things. But if you're getting ready, you have a party planned out, you're going for your... See, can you see the difference? It's giving a color to my face. Also, it gives a little slimming effect to your face. Who doesn't want that? Blush. I'm going to use this blush. It's from Tarte. Take this blush, tap it extra and just apply in the apple of your cheek in this motion. Can you see the difference? Look youthful. It's a highlighter. It's from Maybelline. You can get in Nykaa and so many places. Actually Maybelline is available in so many places. Lighter comes in various variant. It comes in cream, it comes in liquid, it comes in powder, so you can choose accordingly. And simply apply in the high points of your face. Can you see the glow? And then apply in a way that obviously there is no harsh line. You can apply in this motion. Apply a little here. Apply at the tip of your mouth. Just go with your makeup fixer in the last, just to melt everything up. This is from Huda Beauty. It's available in Nykaa. Icon. It's a very good peachy shade and it will suit an Indian skin tone very well.